Students of Valedictorian PU College.
बेंगलुरु में एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज की ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी बड़े डिसिप्लिन के साथ, अदब के साथ, खुशगवार माहौल में खूबसूरत शाम के आंचल में एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज ने अपना ग्रेजुएशन डे 2026 मनाया। एमिरेटस और हॉनररी चेयरमैन ऑफ जेम्स बिजनेस स्कूल डॉक्टर एम नेहरू जी चीफ गेस्ट थे। आपने अपनी स्पीच में स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी अहम बातें कहीं। जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने, मुस्तकबिल का सामना करने, मुस्तकबिल के चैलेंजेस का सामना करने के लिए नेहरू जी ने पीयूसी के स्टूडेंट्स को कई एडवाइस पेश किए। इस मौके पर एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज के चेयरमैन व दीगर अहम शख्सियात मौजूद थीं। सेंट जेवियर कॉलेज के लास्ट ईयर्स के टॉपर्स को फेलिसिटेट किया गया, साथ ही टीचर्स को भी फेलिसिटेशन पेश किया गया। ग्रेजुएशन डे की इस खूबसूरत शाम में स्टूडेंट्स ने एक से बढ़कर एक कल्चरल प्रोग्राम पेश किए, डांस परफॉर्मेंस पेश किए जो काफी दिलचस्प थे, दिलों को छूने वाले थे। जुनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
उसके जैसी न कोई शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीटहार्ट है।
Friends, the world is changing very fast. I am sure for the next few days you should be thinking only about writing your exams well. Your entire focus should be on that. In addition to that, you need to also decide, because you are at crossroads, you are at a turning point. You need to decide, what am I going to do in future? If you like mathematics, look at engineering. If you don't like mathematics, don't look at engineering. IT is a good option. You have finance, you have logistics and supply chain, you have event management, you have several other options now happening. But there are a few common things. All of you, none of you here can afford to say that I am AI illiterate, artificial intelligence. All of you should know something or the other about artificial intelligence. You cannot say, no, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a technical guy, I don't know, I'm not an IT guy. No, you should know. Even a homemaker should know what is IT, because IT has already started touching all our lives. The other thing which you should know, remember, is digital marketing. Unless somebody sells something somewhere or the other, this world will come to a standstill. So you need to know also something about digital marketing. There are short courses which are available online, which are not expensive. So try to do those things after you finish your exams. Not for the next 1.5 months or 2 months till the exams are over. Nothing else. Your focus should be on the exams. And minimum 8 to 10 hours you have to work per day. Passing out with a 60%, 70% is no good. The world will not recognize you. You need to have good percentage, 80, 85, 90. Now, you need to be fast. You need to be fine. Whatever you do, you should do perfectly. When you are crossing the road, you should do it right the first time, because second time you will not be there. So, do it right the first time. Fine. In addition to this, please remember, don't be rigid in life. There must be flexibility in life. Your ability to adapt yourself. The tree that knows to bend with the wind is the tree that survives the storm. Remember this. The tree that knows to bend with the wind is the tree that survives the storm. So, you need to be adaptable. Things are changing. You can't be rigid. Yeah? Then, there are various opportunities now, and you need to look at all those opportunities. There's another thing called business analytics. Analytics is a decision-making tool, which is a very important tool. It can be production, it can be HR, it could be finance, it could be marketing, it could be elections, it could be a cricket match. Analytics are relevant today. So try to learn something about analytics. You cannot be analytics illiterate. In addition to this, of course, machine learning and Internet of Things and all that is there. But these three things which I mentioned are very important for you. You should remember. Respectable looking elderly man, a very respectable looking elderly, able to locate the ticket. The ticket examiner finished checking the ticket of the sales executive. Looking at the plight of this elderly man, he said, "Excuse me, sir. The reservation list in my hand says that you are the Chief Justice of this country." "Excuse me, sir. The reservation list in my hand says that you are the Chief Justice of this country. After all, I don't expect the Chief Justice of this country to be traveling without a ticket. I'm sure you have a ticket. You must have kept it somewhere. You need not bother to show to me because in the list it is mentioned Chief Justice so and so."
All of that, I heartily welcome you all. Good evening, one and all. Yes. Nehru ji Sir's Institute. चीज रिवॉल्व वहीं से होती है जो आप उसको सेलेक्ट करते हैं. The things what you do, what you choose, what you select here. My friend, he introduced me to sir. My friend helped you do better in your life. Have something of your own businesses.
Before you today, and I am extremely thankful for the honor of being chosen as the valedictorian of this institution. These moments fill me with gratitude, pride, and a quiet sense of reflection as I look back on the journey that brought us all here.
We tried very hard to keep our institute clean and well-mannered. We are truly grateful to all of them for their dedication and care. Finally, I would like to thank all my classmates and friends who have been with me for the past 2 years. Literally, this past 2 years have been truly amazing and full of fun, laughter and joy. Whether
कभी ऐसा जिंदगी मंजिलों से عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي توز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي توز عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي توز كم نتكلم رفيجي الشات سايد علي
Bhaiya, you're so good.
दावत में जैसे वो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है।
पक्का दिस will come in your exam.
मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवारी। मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा सारा, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ।
साहिबा नींदे वींदे आए ना, रातें काटी जाए ना, तेरा ही ख्याल दिन रहना आता है। मेरे करीब है तू, तेरी तरफ मुझको तेरी तरफ जाना हो तू कभी रूबरू। शोर शराबा जो सीने में मेरे कैसे वजह मैं करूँ, हाथ जो मेरा है मैं किसको बताऊँ। साहिबा दिल के आएगा थोड़ा तो संभालो ना, नाजुक है ये टूट जाता है। साहिबा नींदे वींदे आए ना, रातें कटी जाए ना, तेरा ही ख्याल दिन रहना आता है।
Students of Edge Global PU College solemnly pledge to utilize our knowledge and skills to the best of our ability, upholding integrity and striving to learn and grow, honoring the values instilled within us throughout our academic journey. I shall use my knowledge in my daily life. I shall conduct myself with honesty and integrity, taking responsibility for my dignity of all people. I will strive to better my community through good citizenship and active participation. Our belief shall always be God is our strength. Thank you, students.